How to delete old pagefile.sys and hiberfile.sys on secondary disk, old Windows install. A while ago I swapped my main hard disk for a SSD. Now the old one is used as a secondary hard disk, and my OS is a fresh Windows install on the main SSD disk. Nevertheless, there are still huge, pagefile.sys, and hiberfile.sys, on that secondary hard drive. Those are not the ones used by the current Windows, as those do exist on // I tried to sh them, but it refused with access denied. Any idea how to delete those old unused system files and reclaim the space?
The files are protected using NTF vesicles. Use Taken to take ownership of them. Combining the answers, it's quite simple, no external programs needed. From a DOS prompt, equals hiberfile.sys / grant everyone column F, to get access to the file, attrib hs hiberfile.sys, to make it visible for deletion, del hiberfile.sys, to delete the file. 4. Pagefile.sys, it works the same way.
I had tried all these methods since migrating my OS to an SSD a year ago. Take-home seems to work, but the file cannot be found to delete. It does not show up doing a dir from the command prompt, in file browsers, ect. Hiberfile is already disabled via command prompt, but I tried to re-enable it and disable it, still no go. It was like the file was there, but not there. What worked for me was creating a new NDT text document, renaming that to hiberfile.sys. I had to do this in a folder because it would not let me create anything except for a folder in my main F drive. I then pasted to f:/, then deleting that file. Freed up the 32 GB I had tried to get back a few times over the past year.
Use Unlocker to do this. It can not only remove the locking handles that are giving you an access is denied message, but can also delete the files at the same time, in case the program tries to reacquire the handle.
If you want some help, please discuss the setting.